Hi everyone, I'm Riccardo. Today I will show you the daily cleaning process for your E1 Prima. E1 Prima cleaning daily routine is extremely easy and functional. It plays a crucial role in implementing your coffee quality and tasting experience. So let's check all the steps you need to go through to make this happen. To complete your task, you will need the following items: a small brush, a blind basket, and a coffee machine cleaning product. To begin, remove the portafilter. Your group head will have an automatic clean water backflush. Now use your brush to clean the group head, then press the central button to purge again. Replace the basket with a blind basket and apply some coffee machine cleaner on it. You can use powder, liquid or tablet cleaners. Now put the filter holder into the group. Press and hold the first and the third button simultaneously for a few seconds to enter the first level programming menu. Now press the central button to skip the second level and enter the third level menu. You will see the CL message shown on the display and the central button will start blinking. By pressing the third button, you will be able to start the washing cycle. Once the washing phase is complete, the machine stops and the third button remains on. To start the ring phase, remove the portafilter, put it back on, press the third button again. When the procedure is complete, remember to replace the blind basket with a normal basket. Remember, cleaning your machine is actually the first step towards getting the best cup of espresso possible. Besides, keeping the machine clean is going to save you money in the long run and cushion the investment you made. We're done for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Victoria Arduino's how-to videos. I'll see you soon.